This is a brand new 2011 Ford Ranger. Its top features include air conditioning, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a trailer hitch receiver, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, privacy glass, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, an anti-lock braking system, a passenger side airbag, and an auxiliary power outlet. With an EPA estimated rating of 27 miles per gallon on the highway, its fuel efficiency will save you time and money. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.
Ron Dupratt Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 1760 North Lincoln Street in Dixon.